Today I will show you the Drachenburg Castle. It's close to Bonn in Western Germany, and you will be able to see it from the inside and also from the outside. There is a beautiful landscape, and it's absolutely amazing. This view is spectacular. Drachenburg Castle is a private villa styled as a palace and constructed in the late 19th century. Drachen means dragon and Burg means castle. And there is a legend about a big dragon living in this area, and also you will hear a lot of stories about this dragon when you walk around here. You can also get an audio tour explaining you all in details. But basically it's a very, very beautiful castle, and it is located close to the city of Bonn in Western Germany. Now the villa is owned by the State Foundation of North Rhine-Westphalia. The castle was built by and owned by Stefan Sarter, who was born in Bonn, and he never actually lived there, and after his death his relatives took over the place. One of his nephews realized the potential of the building as a tourist attraction and bought this place, but somehow nobody succeeded in making anything out of this place. And also, there was a hard period with the First World War and then later the Second World War. So this place was bought by different businessmen and dealers, and in 1930 the castle was sold to the Catholic order, where a boarding school was located for a while, but then it was again difficult during the Second World War. So after the war, the castle became the property of the state of North Rhine-Westphalia, who then rented it out to the Federal Railways. But the castle was left empty and began to slowly deteriorate. So the castle was not restored, and in 1963 a syndicate for the preservation of Drachenburg was founded, which succeeded in getting the castle classified as worth preserving. And it was purchased in 1971 by a local textile merchant who carried out major restorations and used it for entertaining and also opened it for visitors. After his death in 1989, the state North Rhine-Westphalia took over the real estate and carried out further series of restorations, which, the works were stretching over 20 years. And now the building is administered by the North Rhine-Westphalia Foundation, and is a really, really amazing place. I completely recommend to spend a day here, because you don't have to hurry, you want to see it all. Here also there is a restaurant on one of the levels of this building, of this castle, where we had really a nice lunch, after which we went upstairs, because we wanted to go to the top of the building. And as you can see, the building is really, really huge. It really takes a while to get to the top, because there are a lot of stairs, to make sure you get some food and drinks before you go up here. But it's worth it. The view is spectacular. So just take it slowly and make sure you spend at least half a day in this place, or maybe the whole day. And I saw a lot of tourists from all over the world, speaking different languages, coming here also with families, enjoying this beautiful place, beautiful landscape, beautiful architecture. The day was not the weather was not perfect. There were a lot of clouds, and later on also raining, but still we enjoyed it so much. You just want to stay here and watch it all, and so we did. And also, this castle is not the only place you want to see in this area, because you can go further, further up the hill, which we also did later on. And you can go up to the Drachenfels, which is a mountain, and on the top of it there are remains of a castle again, and some ruins of the Drachenfels castle, and we will see them at the end of this movie. But now we are still, at this Drachenburg Castle, which is so fantastic. You when you get the audio tour, they give you all the details about the place. And this is the time when the rain started really heavily, and we had to stop for a while. And to go up the hill further, you can take a funicular tram. This is what you see when you go up. But we decided instead of going by tram, we decided to walk. And this is the castle you see, from above. This is quite a big, walk. It's quite a long walk, but I absolutely loved it. And if you have time, just enjoy the walk. But again, if you want to take it easy, maybe it's a good idea to take a tram, which is going from the Drachenburg Castle to the top of the hill, to the Drachenfels rock. And this is already the rock you see, and on top you see the remains of the castle where we are heading now. And already on this level there is also a beautiful view which you can enjoy, and also a nice restaurant. So again, you can take it easy, take rest, and you don't have to hurry anywhere, because this is just such a lovely place to be. And this rock became really famous because you can see it from all over the place. When you drive around this area close to Bonn, near the town of Königswinter, then you can just see the remains, those remains of the castle, and that's how actually the location. You can see it. And to see those remains, you need to go further, a little bit more up. And here you can only walk, but it's not a long way. And there you will see the remains of the castle, and again, a very, very beautiful view. And after that, you can also hear the story of the dragon for €2. And there's a dragon coming and talking to you. This you will see at the end of this movie. And yes, I really hope you like this video. And if you are interested in getting more videos from my channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell. Also, give this video a like and a comment. Let me know if you liked it. And meanwhile, watch some other videos of mine on business, on self-development, as well as on traveling. Make sure to check out my mom's traveling account. The link is in the description below, as well as some other links. And this is, the dragon who talks to you for €2. You put them in, and then the dragon comes and tells you this story about the place.